I'm going to show you all a quick tip about taking creases out of leather. See, there's no pokes, no holes, no none of that. But my stupid butt a while back, I needed a place to set a head, and I was in a hurry. So I set the head, one of the heads off my Sebring here in the seat, and I didn't plan on leaving it there, you know, but for a few minutes. Well, it got left there for, I don't know, a few months. So it, you know, put an indentation in the seat, but it didn't poke through it or anything. It was stupid. I should have never done it in the first place. And if you do it, you know, if you have to do it, then you put something else down first. But, you know, it should have just went in the floorboard on top of the floor mat. Anyway, the damage is already done. But this is how you get it out. So you see the creases there. I've just got a heat gun. You know, a hair dryer will probably do the trick too. I'm just going to turn this on and slowly, I'm not going to put it all the way up against there because it'll melt it. But what I'm going to do is shrink the leather back down with the heat. And I'm going to keep going at this, and then I'll bring y'all back when I'm done and show you the progress. Alright, just wanted to show you all the progress. You can see that the deep pokes are out of it, where, you know, the deep little pockets that it indented. And I want you to notice that I'm going over the entire panel with this. I want to heat up the entire panel of the seat. That way anywhere that the slack might be is also heating up and shrinking. But you see, those indentions are almost completely gone. You do see some of the hard lines still. But once this sits for a little while, those will go away. So I've been going at this for probably about 5 minutes or so. And really, I could probably stop right about now. You notice most of the wrinkles that were in the seat. You look back in the video, most of the wrinkles that was in the seat is gone. It's all, the leather is all tight now. So just wanted to show you quick and easy trick to get that out. Now, like I said, you can still see some of them sharp lines, you know, the square lines, but those will go away. Alright guys, I wanted to show y'all one of the nastiest things I've ever come across dealing with flipping cars, buying and selling cars. Of course that's cleaning them up, but this right here, this is, I mean, of course I've seen worse, you know, like as far as like dirty, filthy, stained carpet and stuff like that. But this is the dashboard. And not only, you see that like where it's glossy, it's sticky. Like it's oil, grease, something, I don't know. Absolutely disgusting. And whose or what kind of hair that is, couldn't tell you. But I've got to try to get that off. I've already cleaned, well, I say cleaned, I've already wiped down some of this rest of this interior here, and it come out pretty good. But that, you can't even try and wipe that down. So I'm gonna try something different. All right, here we have the Bissell Steam Shot. I use this for, you know, cleaning cars, real filthy stuff like down in cup holders and stuff like that, to break all the dirt loose. So it stands to reason that it'll work on this, but I've never tried it on anything like this before. So here we go. Alright, now I'm going to wipe that area down. I'd say it works. Let me use both hands on this. All right. So it did a better job than anything else did. Is it perfect? Absolutely not. But it's way better than it was before. Melted crown in the cup holder. Let's see what the steam shot can do for this. It looks to have liquefied it. Let's see if we can get it out. It was just after a few seconds of wiping it out. Obviously, there's some down there in the hole with the screw, and there's some over here in the corner. Now I had to get a screwdriver or something to, you know, kind of scrape up in the corner and down in the hole. But man, that did a great job.